Hey everyone, David Safransky, Financial Revelations podcast. Quick hit today. The Fed did do a 25 basis point increase while noting inflation is way high and the banking system is in a little bit of trouble. So they took out a couple of key phrases in this meeting. One of them was they don't feel the need for sustained rate hikes. So there may be a pause coming a little bit sooner than what we thought. I still think they're going through July. I think that they're going to go to 5.25. Keep us there. We go into a slight recession. They bring us out early in 2024. That's my own personal opinion. I was a little bit surprised that they took out some of the language about needing further rate hikes, especially where inflation was. They did mention that they're seeing wage inflation start to ease a little bit. I don't see how that's possible. Unemployment is at 3.4% and we don't have a lot of productivity. It's very difficult for wage inflation to subside when we have this level of unemployment. And they really want the unemployment rate north of or higher than 4.25%. We got a long way to go for that. Those things are going to happen. And I do believe because of the banking issues that we have going on right now that a recession is more likely because banks are pulling in credit. They're just not going to extend credit that is what they consider to be dangerous. So I think you're going to see credit a little bit harder to get for big companies and startups and technology companies. But all that being said, what's the quick hit? The quick hit is don't despair. We've been here before. We'll be here again. The world is not ending. Your deposits are safe. I feel certain about that, especially in big banks. And even in the, Key Corp, for instance, that's based out of Cleveland, they're considered a regional bank. They're a pretty big bank, but they're considered regional. I think they're totally safe. So now if you're with a obscure little bank in Poughkeepsie, I think you might want to reconsider your options. But if you're with a bigger bank, I think you're fine. You don't need to keep money under your mattress or in between pages of books at your house. They did get out in front of a lot of stuff over the last couple of weeks. So I feel pretty good about that. You are going to see rates creep up. I haven't given up on bonds yet, although the volatility in the bond market is something that I've never seen. I'm sick of saying I've never seen anything like this before. We've done that a lot over the last 3 years, and I'd like to see some things I've seen before if it were all the same. So remember, you can reach out to us. You can do all that stuff scrolling on the bottom. I'm not going to go over it. I am David Safransky. This is Financial Revelations, a real American, a true red-blooded patriot, and the voice you can trust.